guys, thank you so much for tuning into Urban Tropical. This is Raj, and today we are going to talk about another tropical plant, and the name of the plant is Colocasia black coral. Isn't that a beauty? I have just got black magic as well, which is rooting at the moment. I got it from a bulb, but I really wanted this one too, and I managed to find it in a plug plant size. I didn't want to go for a bulb because that would have taken a long time to sprout, and then I had to wait longer. At least this one you get a head start with, so I'm going with this one. If we just talk about the size, it grows up to 3 to 4 feet tall, it's clump forming, and it does well in full sun or part shade. So these are not for the shade area. If you have in the garden, I still don't have a space where I'm going to put it, but anyway, the key thing is when you buy a plug plant, just make sure it has got really nice rootings. So if you see this one, it has beautiful rootings on it, and I am going to plant it. I'm not going to plant it in its final position. There are two reasons. One, I don't know where that is yet, and the second, is too small for me to put it in any flower bed or any raised bed I have. So I have to make sure that it's quite established before I can move it. So if I'm going to move it into a bit reasonable pot, it's going to develop more roots, and then I know it's a bit solid enough for me to put into final position. But this one has a really good rooting system. Even if I move it straight into my raised beds here, I know it's going to do well. Because I don't know yet where I'm going to plant it anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead in a pot, just have a bit more rooting system onto it, and then move it on to its final position. So let's just get to that. This gives you a better idea how small this plug plant is, and I am just really happy about all this thick rooting system. So is, if you see the roots are really pink and white and thick, that means it's all fresh growth, and the plant should do really well. And it has got 2 leaves. In terms of a pot, this one seems like right size as well, but I'm going to go a bit bigger, only because then I just think root has enough space to grow, and here it might be constrained and I have to move it quickly again, because I'm not planning to move this plant at least for 3 to 4 weeks. So I have opted for this one. I have filled some compost in there, which has a slow release food, which should be fine for this size of plant. And I am just going to open the roots a bit so that they can find their new home and just don't go in circles. I'm just going to loosen them up, and we are going to put it in, and I have to make sure that this bit stays leveled, and which it is so far. And I'm going to fill it up with the compost, and now it will be good for watering. And I'm going to put it in full sun. I mean, we don't have really that much of sun right now this year, but whatever there is, we can't complain. At least it's a bit warm, so plant can start to do something. So it has nicely potted up. Give it water, put it in full sun, and let's see in 3 weeks where it goes. I mean, these are really fast growing plants, so I am expecting a lot more leaves in 1 month, but you never know, right? Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Please do share your comments, or if you have better ways to make it grow faster, that would be so much appreciated. Thank you so much. Bye bye.